Grace and peace, family. I'm starting off a new series where I'm journaling my experience of developing a web app called Book Editor Web, just because I don't have a better name for it yet. I haven't found a domain to use, but the name should describe it. It's a web app to help people edit their books. As many of you know, I am working on my first book, Called to His Purpose. It is a book about purpose based upon the life of King David. As I've been working on the book, I've really desired to operate in a spirit of excellence. And so I've wanted to do a lot of rounds of editing, a lot of rounds of revisions, and that can get expensive and time consuming. And so I thought, why not use AI? Why not use technology to build an app that would allow me to edit my own book and provide me with real-time feedback as I'm going through the process, but then also present that to the marketplace for other authors or would-be authors that want to get that critical, constructive feedback as they're writing their book, but don't want to be burdened by hundreds of dollars. And literally, I've spent hundreds of dollars on editors and weeks of time while they're reviewing it and making notes before they can hand it back. And so for those of you who, like me, are looking for quick feedback, cost-effective feedback, so they can write in a spirit of excellence and produce really great books that honor God and honor your expertise, honor your lived experience and whatever it is that you're talking about. And so this video series is going to log my journey of building this app. This is the start of week 3, so still early on, though I've made a ton of progress in just building the developmental editing functionality. And for those that don't know, there's a couple of different types of editing that can be done. Line edits is probably what most people thinking about, is those red lines, spelling, grammar, so on and so forth. But developmental is a little bit more strategic. It's providing kind of overall context of the book. Is the narrative flow there? Are the points that you're making accurate and relevant? Is there cohesiveness throughout the story arc? So developmental edits tend to be really time consuming, but very valuable, right? Because they allow you to see the big picture in a way that you might be too close to it to see. I know I certainly have been too close to the book at certain points, and it's been good to zoom out and get this fresh perspective from someone else. And in this case, something else. I'm using AI as my book editor, not writing. I want to be abundantly clear. So if you're looking to write a book and you're looking for some AI assistance, this is assistance, not writing. It will not write the book for you, but it will give you that critical, constructive, helpful feedback along the way to make sure as you go from concept to outline, table of contents, start, first draft, so on and so forth, that you are getting that constructive feedback that will really help. So if that's something that's interesting you, please let me know. Tap in with me. I'm going to be setting up a private beta at some point here in the next couple of weeks or months as the product, takes on shape, and would love to get feedback from people who are either in the early stages or near the end and want that constructive feedback. And for those of you who are thinking about using AI to build apps and build technologies, hopefully this is inspiring for you, because this is all being done via Codex, ChatGPT's vibe engineering, vibe coding environment. I've got it running on my computer pretty much nonstop. I'm trying to, rest and take a breath and all that type of stuff, but I'm trying to do something in there pretty consistently to keep the progress growing, not just to get the app out into the marketplace, but because I need it for my book. So I am testing my own stuff, eating my own dog food, as they say. And so I will be, doing more of these logs to keep people posted on what's happening and how I'm progressing in this journey. And I hope to inspire prospective authors that looking for support, looking for encouragement, looking for that kind of critical feedback they need to refine their book ideas, and for would-be tech entrepreneurs that are thinking that they have a cool idea that they want to bring to the marketplace and don't know how exactly to do it. There is a way, right? There is certainly a way, and the tools and technology are out there to help you get it done. So stay plugged in, stay tapped in, and if either of those topics, writing your own book or building an app, are relevant or interesting to you, please hit me up, let me know so I know to follow up and stay connected with you along my journey. Amen. Shalom, shalom. Peace.